Ordering coffee at a cafe.
Good morning. Welcome to Sunny Cafe. What can I get for you?
Good morning. Can I have a coffee, please?
Sure. What kind of coffee would you like?
What kinds do you have?
We have black coffee, latte, cappuccino, and iced coffee.
What is the difference between a latte and a cappuccino?
A latte has more milk. A cappuccino has more foam on top.
I see. Then one latte, please.
What size? Small, medium, or large?
Medium, please, and not too hot.
No problem. Would you like sugar with that?
Just one sugar, please. And do you have anything to eat?
Yes. We have fresh croissants and chocolate muffins.
One croissant, please. How much is everything?
One medium latte and one croissant. That is $6.50.
Here is $10.
Thank you. Here is your change. $3.50. Your name, please.
Ben. B-E-N.
Thank you, Ben. Please wait at the end of the counter. It will be ready in 2 minutes.
Thank you very much. Have a nice day.
At the grocery store.
Hello. Welcome. Are you looking for something?
Hello. Yes, I need some fruit. Are these apples fresh?
Very fresh. They came this morning from the farm.
Great. How much are they?
$2 for 1 kilo.
Please give me 2 kilos, and I need bananas too.
These bananas are sweet and ready to eat. How many?
6 bananas, please. Do you have brown eggs?
Yes, on the shelf behind you. 10 eggs in 1 box.
I will take 1 box. And where's the milk?
In the fridge next to the cheese. The blue bottle is fresh milk.
Got it. 1 bottle of milk. Oh, do you have brown bread?
Sorry, brown bread is finished today, but white bread is fresh.
Okay, 1 white bread then. That is everything.
Let me count. Apples, bananas, eggs, milk, and bread. $12, please.
Can I pay by card?
Sorry, cash only. The card machine is broken today.
No problem. I have cash. Here's 15.
And $3 back. Do you need a bag?
Yes, please. Thank you, and see you next week.
Asking for directions.
Excuse me, miss. Can you help me? I think I am lost.
Of course. Where do you want to go?
I am looking for the City Museum. Is it near here?
The City Museum? Yes, it is about 10 minutes from here on foot.
10 minutes? Great. Which way should I go?
Go straight on this street until the traffic light.
Straight until the traffic light. Okay, and then?
At the light, turn left. You will see a big clock tower.
Turn left at the light, then the clock tower.
Yes. Walk past the clock tower, and the museum is on your right.
On my right. Is it a big building?
Very big. It is white with tall stairs in front. You cannot miss it.
Perfect. Is the museum open today?
Yes, it is open from 9 to 5, but it is closed on Mondays.
Today is Saturday, so I am lucky. Is there a ticket?
Yes, $5, but students pay only $2.
Good to know. Thank you so much for your help.
You are welcome. Oh, and one more thing. The garden behind the museum is free and beautiful.
A free garden? I will visit it too. Thanks again.
Enjoy your day. Goodbye.
At the pharmacy.
Good afternoon. How can I help you?
Good afternoon. I have a headache, and my nose is running.
I am sorry to hear that. When did it start?
Last night, I think I caught a cold.
Do you have a fever?
I don't know. I feel a little warm.
Let's check with this thermometer, please. Hold it for 1 minute.
Okay, here it is.
It says 37.8. That is only a small fever. Nothing serious.
That is good news. What should I take?
I can give you a simple medicine for cold and headache.
How do I take it?
Read the paper inside the box and follow it. Take it after food, not on an empty stomach.
After food. Okay. Anything else?
Drink a lot of warm water, eat fruit, and sleep early tonight.
I will. How much is the medicine?
$4.50, and this vitamin C is on sale. $2.
I will take both. Here is $7.
50 cents back. If you are not better in 3 days, please see a doctor.
I understand. Thank you for your help. Goodbye.
At the bank.
Good morning, sir. Please have a seat. How can I help you today?
Good morning. I want to open a bank account.
Great. Is this your first account with our bank?
Yes, my first one. What do I need?
Just your ID card and a phone number.
Here is my ID card. My phone number is 555-2314.
Thank you. What kind of account do you want? Savings or current?
What is the difference?
A savings account gives you a little extra money every year. A current account is for daily use.
I want to save money for the future. Savings, please.
Good choice. Please fill this form. Write your name and address here.
Okay, done. Is this correct?
Perfect. Now sign at the bottom, please.
Signed. What happens next?
I will make your account now. It takes 5 minutes. Do you want a bank card too?
Yes, please. Is the card free?
The first card is free. It will be ready in 1 week.
Great. Can I put money in the account today?
Yes, you can start with any amount at counter number 3.
Wonderful. Thank you for making it so easy.
Ordering food at a restaurant.
Good evening. Welcome. A table for one?
Good evening. Yes, just me tonight.
This table by the window is free. Here is the menu.
Thank you. What is good here? It is my first time.
Our chicken rice is famous. The vegetable soup is also very popular.
Then chicken rice, please. Is it spicy?
A little spicy, but we can make it not spicy for you.
Not spicy, please. My stomach says thank you.
Of course. Anything to start? The soup, maybe?
Yes. One vegetable soup first. Is it hot?
Very hot and fresh. And what would you like to drink?
A fresh orange juice, please, with no ice.
Soup, chicken rice, not spicy, and orange juice with no ice. Anything else?
That is all for now. How long will it take?
About 15 minutes. The soup will come first.
Perfect. Oh, one question. Where can I wash my hands?
The washroom is at the back, next to the kitchen door.
Thank you. This soup smells wonderful.
Enjoy. Call me if you need anything. Just raise your hand.
I will. Thank you. This place feels like home.
English conversation with taxi driver.
Excuse me? Is this taxi free?
Yes, sir. Welcome. Where are you going?
To the Grand Palace Hotel, please. Do you know it?
Of course. It is in the city center. Please get in.
Thank you. Wait, you are the driver?
Yes, I am. Is that a problem, sir?
No, sorry. I have just never seen a lady taxi driver before.
Ha! There are many of us now, and I am one of the best.
I believe you. Okay, let me put my bags inside.
The trunk is open. Put the big bag there and keep the small one with you.
Good idea. My passport and money are in the small bag.
Smart traveler. Always keep important things close. Ready to go?
Ready. Oh, my seatbelt. Where is it?
Behind your left shoulder. Pull it down and click.
Got it. Click. Okay, safe and ready.
Great. So is this your first time in our city?
Yes, my very first time. I just landed 1 hour ago.
Welcome. Where are you from?
I am from Canada, a small town near Toronto.
Canada. Very far away. Was the flight long?
14 hours? My legs are still sleeping.
Ha! 14 hours. Are you here for holiday or work?
Holiday. 1 full week of holiday.
Wonderful. 1 week is good. There is so much to see here.
That is why I need your help. What should I visit?
Let me think. Do you like history or nature?
Both, but history a little more.
Then you must see the old fort. It is 500 years old.
500 years? Wow. Is it far from my hotel?
No, only 10 minutes by taxi, or you can walk in 30 minutes.
I love walking. I will walk there tomorrow morning.
Good plan. Go early. After 10 o'clock, it gets very crowded.
Thanks for the tip. What else should I see?
The river market. You can buy gifts and eat street food.
Street food? Is it safe for tourists?
Very safe, but eat where the line is long. Long line means fresh food.
Ha, that is a clever rule. What food must I try?
You must try our famous noodle soup. Everyone loves it.
Noodle soup. I am writing it in my phone. Noodle.
Ha! And say extra lemon. That is how local people eat it.
Extra lemon. Noted. You are better than a guidebook.
Thank you. 10 years of driving teaches you everything.
10 years? How did you become a taxi driver?
My father was a taxi driver. This was his car. He taught me to drive.
That is a beautiful story. So the car is special for you.
Very special. I keep it clean and shining, like he did.
It is the cleanest taxi I have ever seen, honestly.
Ha! Thank you. Oh, look outside. We are crossing the big bridge now.
Wow, the river is huge. Can I take a photo?
Sure, but be quick, and don't put your hand outside the window.
Okay, click. Got it. This photo is going to my mother.
Ha! Mothers love photos. Tell her the city says hello.
I will. By the way, how do I pay for taxis here? Cash or card?
Both are okay. My taxi takes cards, but small taxis want cash.
Good to know. Where can I change my money?
There is a money exchange next to your hotel, the Green Shop.
The green shop. Okay. Is the rate good there?
Yes, better than the airport. Never change money at the airport.
Oh no, I already changed $100 at the airport.
Ha! Don't worry. Now you know for next time.
Lesson learned. What about tips? Do people tip here?
Tips are not a must, but drivers and waiters are always happy with them.
Got it.
And how much is this ride going to cost?
About $15. The meter is running. See?
I see it. That is cheaper than Canada.
Really? How much is a taxi in Canada?
The same ride would be $40 there.
40? Maybe I should drive a taxi in Canada, huh?
Huh, but it snows a lot. Can you drive in snow?
Snow? I have never seen real snow in my life.
Never? Then you must visit Canada one day.
It is my dream. Snow, mountains, and that famous sweet thing, maple syrup.
Yes, maple syrup. We put it on everything.
On everything? Even on rice?
Huh, no, not rice. On pancakes mostly.
Pancakes and maple syrup. Now I am hungry.
Me too. Airplane food was terrible.
Then here is one more tip. Your hotel breakfast starts at 7.
How do you know that?
I travel tourists there every week. The breakfast room is on the top floor. Great view.
Top floor, 7 o'clock? You really know everything.
Huh. Oh wait, look at the sky. Fireworks.
Fireworks? In the daytime? Why?
Today is our city festival. It started this afternoon.
A festival? On my first day? I am so lucky.
Very lucky. Tonight there will be music and dancing at the main square.
Is the main square near my hotel?
5 minutes walking. Just follow the music.
Follow the music. I love that. What time does it start?
At 8 o'clock tonight, and it is free.
Free is my favorite price. I will surely go.
Ha! Okay, sir. We are almost there. See the tall white building?
The one with the flags? Is that my hotel?
Yes, that is the Grand Palace Hotel. Beautiful, right?
It looks amazing. Better than the photos online.
Okay, we have arrived. The meter says $14.50.
Here is 20. Please keep the change.
Thank you very much, sir. Let me open the trunk for your bag.
Thank you. Oh, one last question. Can I call you for the airport next week?
Of course. Here is my card. My name is Emma. Call me one day before.
Perfect, Emma. I am Jack. Thank you for the ride and all the tips.
You are welcome, Jack. Enjoy the festival tonight.
I will. And don't forget your dream. Go and see the snow one day.
Ha! I will. Goodbye, Jack. Welcome to our city.
Goodbye, Emma. See you next week.